Menteri rang badu kari Israel Benjamin Netanyahu halor kajing kun thma kari jung u ka Israel persya iki lehnoh Hamas ka balan ne la hnrus ngi menta ulaong ba Uwei po wei dkhot kate ka kanhon lehnoh udai ubala yap lupa kani kajing kran Netanyahu kadai hapadang kajing lang kerke kari Israel ba unong lam kalyang persya ubeni grant Netanyahu ulaong bagi lehnoh Hamas ki lehnoh ISIS bat kumbala penluet iki lehnoh ISIS kum taru kan jai ki lehnoh Hamas President ke United States of America, Joe Biden ulaong, bola dapannya keren buat Netanyahu, bat kentu ya kari Israel ban pentrai kam ya ki kendon ya let thma wat hapdeng kajing bitar, da ka babot ya ki nongrem ka Geneva Convention. Biden ulam maham ya kari Iran bakam day ban kersya ni ki lehnoh Hamas ban hiar thma ya kari Israel. Hakawai pat kakubor, kisipa Israel kila ther namding ya artli ki jaka kio bat hiar ling sun kari Syria, kata ke Damascus bat Aleppo, wat hapdeng bakari Israel ke don haka jingya kun thma persya ya ki lehnoh Hamas. Kari Israel kala ther bom lenter ya ka Gaza Strip, da ka bapen pau bakkan amma ya jing sya ther namding jongka haka nyau terek risau arja arpulai haki lehnoh Hamas jong kari Palestine. Bon kiwe kiri jong keperthai ki lammi shakhmat banyak rannya ki arliang mamla hakane gathma kata ya kari Israel bat Palestine bat ki don ki bele kran ba ki dei ban pelat no mar kaliang ya ki brio ki bele syara bor kisipai Israel ki lakam bagajing ya brio kala kiu shaka khat ar spa ngot parar jar nyos pa ngot ki bele mensau kat bagajing ya brio ha Gaza pan kala poi shaka khat ar spa ngot pat san hajar nrus pa ngot ki bele mensau Kari Israel kala khanglut ya kajing pen poi bam sha Gaza ka pnyang nalor ka bat ka boarding electric. Nakni kajing hiar thma kari Israel ya ki lehnoh Hamas hakate jaka kala penlong ya parat lai lak sau pawajar ngot ban kum ki petwer klam yeng klam sam. Hakaju ka por kari Israel kala ther namding kala shaki shnong bashathi jong kari Lebanon ban jubab ya kajing siat namding ki lehnoh Hezbollah. Nakalyang ki lehnoh Hamas kila perngem ban penyap ya ki bala syara bor la dakari Israel kam sange ban ther bom ya ka Gaza henre hadu menta laong bakampat le ai kari Germany kala ailat ya kari Israel ban penan kam ya ki heran TP combat drone jongka ban ya khun ya ki lehnoh Hamas kiri bopher jong perthai kidang ya chakmat ban lech shaw ya la ki jong ki nong shong shnong ki basakot hari Israel na kadau jong kani gathma
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.